Hello boys and girls, today is Saturday 2018, 13, okay. I'm out here with a Panasonic RX-4945F. Let me make sure I said 4945, yeah, 4945F, okay. And as you can see, I'm recording my voice saying this, so let me just go through the, let's see here. On this end here we have left and right mics with like that, and then left and right speakers, then full-size headphone with quarter-inch jack, and it has ACN only. There is no 9-volt power source DCN. There is a world voltage button on the back here. It takes 60 batteries. I have just now recently serviced this unit. So it looks like that, and then on top you have your tone controls. Let's see here, wait, get the camera, okay. Tone, right there. You got balance, and you have volume, your standard buttons. There is no music search on this. It does have a radio power off, stereo mono switch, and then it has FM, medium wave, shortwave 1 and 2. Now medium wave is AM in well, it's just AM. Okay, and then on this end here we have a the main tuning and the fine tuning for shortwave only. Okay, and and of course the antennas. The antenna goes where? Get the phone out of your hand. There's the antenna. I can't see the screen. Here. Okay, yeah. So here's the antenna. It goes in and out so nicely. Okay, so I have it up there. So now, let's see here. Now what I want to do is I want to see, where's my camera? Okay. Hopefully I got this right. If I start, okay, I'll just do it down here. We'll do this on the computer, but here if I can get this right. Okay, this comes with a box. This is for sale, by the way, in case you don't know that. So there's a box, the front of it. It's got the instructions to it. Again, there's that. Alright, and then there. And it takes that many screws to take out the back. There it is, flopped open. And there's a trick to putting that tuning rod. You have to take the knob off first. Don't try to take it apart with the knob attached. Anyway, and then that's the that side. There, unplug those plugs. The speaker detail. Yeah, it's a, I don't know if it won't focus just on the camera. What can I say? So here I'm just trying to figure out how this thing goes together. You have to put that on there and then put it back together. Okay, there's another view. There's the amp chip view. I didn't research it, but anyway. And then there's that. And then here I replaced, that's the old belt that I took out. It had a, okay. And I put it back in, and that's the motor. So it's manufactured by 1984 November. And then and then the door says it's no, it doesn't. Oh, it says on the box soft eject system. Well, the gear does not line up. That's okay. The gear doesn't line up with the gear that's on the door, so it's gonna flop open no matter what. All right, so put the camera in your pocket. All right, so now let's flip it over to the radio. Still recording on the tape. Okay, so we gotta, how do we do this? Put it on the... Wash right off my head. Wash right off my head. Dragging me down, gonna stand my ground. Miniature horse setup and Israel. With an 03 Jack FM.
You are an illegal alien who came here before your 16th birthday. I'm not. And then we'll take it higher. Oh no, we're gonna rock. Don't go far. You never seem so dense. What do you Karate dude. How do I look?
And there, that's shortwave 1. I don't know. Out here in the daytime. Nothing out here. Okay, let's try shortwave 2. Let's see here.
It's characteristic as a body that's fitly framed together with all the members working in unison to make up the whole body.
Right,
and
so,
yes, the church is going to grow up to the fullness of the stature.
Let's go back and let's hit rewind. There is no tape counter, so you just have to kind of guess about where this thing started.